Let's talk about 8-ball electric bike, pull out 36V lithium battery. Pedal assist and throttle 24 frame. Stylish, light and efficient, ideal for the city commute or a leisurely afternoon ride along country roads. Fitted with a new generation high-efficiency 250 watts elecro-drive, the largest motor permitted for use on UK highways. Full-size front and rear mudguards and a useful rear carry rack. Direct twist throttle control or multi-level pedal assist modes, so the motor just cuts in when you need it. 30-40 km distance on full charge. 5-hour charge time from flat.